Hey guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you're doing well. Today I'm gonna share with you how to lock and unlock Facebook profile. So let's go to Facebook first. Now click on the three dash icon which is with your profile picture on the top. Go to your profile. Now you can see here the three dot icon beside the edit profile. Click on that. Now you can see here the lock profile. Okay, go to lock profile. Now just lock your profile, the blue button. Your profile is locked. So how to unlock? Go to the same process, this three dot icon, and unlock your profile. Here you can see beside the invite friends unlock button. Click on this and unlock your profile by clicking on blue button. See, your profile is unlocked. So guys, this is how you can lock and unlock Facebook profile. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.